Last week gold jumped more than $200 without testing the psychological level $4,000, but crowd giving entire credit to Trump. They said gold is up because Trump said he will end war. Trump said this thing so many times, but war is still happening like Russia-Ukraine war since 2022. Nobody believed, but everyone giving credit to Trump that he ending the war. That's why gold is spiking $200. You can ignore core CPI number, core PPI number and give all the credit to Trump. That is not a problem. But Fed Chair Kevin Wall, he will not ignore core inflation. Ex-Fed Chair Powell said all the time during rate high cycle that they focus on core inflation, not headline inflation. The difference between normal CPI number and core CPI number, or you can say PPI number and core PPI number. Like definition say excluding food and energy price. The difference is always your war effect. So headline inflation, which include war effect, is up. When Trump said he will end war, that means headline inflation problem immediately fixed. And core inflation, both CPI, PPI, both falling last week, lower than expected. And third magical thing, NFP higher than expected. We say they do not need hike. So core inflation, which is Fed favorite, falling. When you include war effect, Trump say war ending, that problem also fixed. NFP already creating job. So this is the magic formula: rising job, falling inflation. They can run economy without hike. Exactly what I said so many times. Trump will do anything. He will use his entire power, but in the all condition he will avoid a hike. So this is the reason in advance before Kevin was do anything, market expecting less hawkish Fed compared to last time, and gold spiking. 6.5% PPI is very hot. You cannot cut under that condition. But Trump said he will end war. So immediately that problem fixed. And core inflation already falling. Just few seconds, watch last week CPI number, all the data piece by piece. You can see biggest gain coming from energy. Gasoline price. When Trump say war end, immediately entire gain reverse. Energy price, gasoline price, they start falling without new Fed chair doing anything. CPI inflation can start falling. But magical formula, higher than expected NFP, lower than expected core CPI and PPI, and Trump war, which affect headline inflation. So this is the reason everything say inflation risk is less compared to what market was thinking during hot NFP number. But problem is trader thinking one side when Trump say he will end war, but they ignore when Trump said he will attack Iran when gold was going down. So after core PPI he was saying he will attack Iran. After core PPI he said he will end war. So within 24 hours Trump changed his mind and give total opposite statement. You can see in Telegram I update market reverse CPI gain after Trump statement. CPI news is good for gold. Later we have core PPI. Trump said he will end war. So these three data points, all of them came at the same time. That is the reason gold went up. But if you only say it is going up because Trump say he will end war, then you are blindly ignoring core PPI number, which Fed chair was for sure will say something. So last week before core PPI came lower than expected, I try explaining everything in detail, but crowd ignoring core PPI, but their main focus on what Trump said about war, not core PPI.